Are you looking for an insurance company that delivers when you need it most? Today we're breaking down Allstate Insurance, how their claims process, customer service, and reliability stack up this year. So Allstate offers a full suite of insurance products. They're known for features like DriveWise, which rewards safe driving, and add-ons like accident forgiveness, new car replacement. Allstate also benefits from strong AM Best financial ratings and boasts a broad network of local agents nationwide. Allstate allows policyholders to file claims through its app and online portal with 24/7 support. However, satisfaction is mixed. Just over 50% of survey respondents say they were completely satisfied with their claim resolution. There has also been high-profile allegations, especially after natural disasters, of pressure on adjusters to lower payouts, raising concerns about fairness in claim handling. Now, it runs most of its daily customer communications through AI-generated messages, aiming for empathy and clarity, but some customers still cite delays and confusion, especially when trying to reach human representatives. So it scores a 3.7 out of 5 compared to its peers. So is it worth it in 2025? Yes, if you value a long-standing financial brand, multiple coverage options, and local agent access, and maybe not if you expect a top-tier claims service or transparent pricing. Some customers report inconsistent payouts and communication issues.